hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this vegetable soup that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and let's dive right into it. Okay, so on my list I have my stocked fish, crayfish powder, ginger and garlic spice. You can use the fresh one if you want. My seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning powder of choice. Salt, onion, roughly blended habanero pepper, water leaf. It's washed and hot already. This is the periwinkle I'll be using. Palm oil, of course, and my washed bitter leaf. Okay, I wouldn't be using all that bitter leaf, I'll use some of it. And this is the protein I'll be using. Go ahead to use any protein of choice. Without further ado, let's dive right into the preparations. So in my pot, I'll be adding in my proteins, stockfish, onion, salt, seasoning powder, ginger and garlic powder. You can use the fresh one if that's what you have. Okay, so I'll give this a quick stir and I'll be adding in little water. I'm gonna cook this till it's a bit tender and we continue. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, so this is after a few minutes. I'll be adding in habanero pepper, crayfish powder. So I'll stir everything together. Next, I'll be adding in my palm oil. Okay, so this is a very healthy way in preparing this. Okay, so I'll cover this for a few minutes, and after a few minutes, I'll go in with my washed water leaf. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for always being here. I'm grateful and I appreciate all your support. Thank you for always coming back. Okay, so I'll give this a quick stir and I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes. Okay, I had to do this overlay because I wanted to test this this pattern of adding water leaf and bitter leaf together. Okay, so I'm here to tell you that the result was good, and I would like you to try this very recipe. Okay, so I'll be adding in small amount of bitter leaf. If the bitter leaf is much, your soup is going to be bitter. Okay, so just small quantity of bitter leaf and my periwinkle, of course. I'll stir everything together. Just allow it for just a few minutes and it is done. The result is mouth-watering, and I'd love you to test this, and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.